welcome back. I just wanted to do a little follow-up on the sweet potato harvesting video that we did. First thing is make sure you wear pants and maybe long sleeves. I got a lot of itchy bug bites from that harvest. Another thing is the planting. Looking back, I'm thinking that I planted those sweet potatoes probably one slip every 18 inches in those beds. The other thing is curing. Now, I went and looked online about curing sweet potatoes. I haven't done this before. One said to keep them at about 90 degrees in a humid environment, and so this is how we're doing it. I have my garden cart here, which has a mesh bottom to it, and then I put an electric heating pad underneath. I'm in my greenhouse, so during the day, it's probably 90 degrees in here, which is a good temperature. And then at night, I do have this heating pad. I also have a little seedling pad under there because the nights are getting cool. And then during the day and at night, I keep this very thin agribond over it to keep the sun off of them during the day and to just help them clean at night. So we tuck that all in. And then I want this to stay about 90 degrees during the night. And the nights sometimes are getting down in the 50s here. So I'm just covering this whole thing with old shirts and towels, just covering it like this to keep the heat in at night. And then I'm throwing a tarp and an old shower curtain draped over it and tucked in, and then first thing in the morning when the sun starts hitting this greenhouse, I just come out, remove everything, and unplug the heating pad just to keep the consistency. So the curing process is needed with sweet potatoes so that you actually have sweet potatoes. If I have any more insights, I'll be adding an update. Hope this helps.